Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Rebecca, my hidden miller. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a simple eyebrow tutorial. I'm gonna be showing you how I get to achieve this eyebrow look. Yes, as you can see by the title as well as the thumbnail, before and after. So I'm going to be showing you quick and easy steps on how I do my eyebrows. So I basically use 1, 2, 3, 4 things or 4 products in order to achieve this look. First, not really first, but this is one of them, a concealer. It says LA Girl Pro Concealer HD High Definition Concealer. I used it, as well as my eyebrow pencil. Yes, it's short. I need to get one more, but this is the brown eyebrow pencil, the brown color, and I use this liquid eyebrow thing. I don't even remember what it's called, but I ordered it online. Yeah, this is how it looks. It doesn't even have any writing. I have the box though. Let me see if I can find it. It's beautiful eyebrow tint. Okay, so it appears to be that. Okay, so it says eye color for fork water eyebrow pen. So it's like a water eyebrow pen. Sorry about that noise. Yeah, so basically, yeah, and the fourth thing that I use in order to achieve this look is my fingers. Instead of using the beauty blender or the sponge, I can't use that. I literally don't know to use it. I don't achieve this look. I cannot achieve this look when I use the sponge or the beauty blender. The sponge or the beauty blender. Let me just slow down on my speech a little bit. So I use my fingers instead. I came to the realization that it actually works for me, so I just continue using it. And I know that I'm not the only one who uses my fingers in order to blend out the concealer, right? Yes. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. Yes, and so I'm actually applying the liquid eyebrow pen highlighter, I think that's the name of it, to my eyebrow. And as you can see guys, I literally don't have any eyebrow. Like, I don't have any. I don't have any eyebrows. I literally don't have any. That is why majority of the time I have to be doing it, and that's all I do. I don't really wear full coverage makeup. All I do is just like do my eyebrows by using the eyebrow pencil, and I just head out. But I don't have eyebrows. Like, literally, I need to stop trying to shave what I don't have. I literally don't have any eyebrows, as you could see before. So right now, this here is the trick. I am going to actually, well, I am at that moment. I was actually applying the concealer to highlight the brows, and this is the beauty about doing your eyebrows. You can actually draw something that looks like crap, and then the trick is to utilize the concealer and highlight it, and then you will see, you know, the magic basically. Yes. It is very funny. Yes, so that's what I'm doing right now, highlighting, and then afterwards I will be just blending it all with my fingertips. And then basically that would be it. Simple 1 2 3. So I am finished. I'm through. I am finished. I am through. The task has been completed. Yes, I'm really loving the look. It's simple, it's nice, it's neat, it's not thick, it's just simple and nice. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you.